Questions to the patient about informed consent. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: Informed consent is a right of the patient that consists of the patient before the medical intervention is carried out in his body, must express his consent that must be preceded by the due information that allows him to decide according to his interests. As a correlation of this right, the doctor's obligation to inform the patient and to obtain his consent before carrying out the medical act arises. Purpose: The purpose is to study patient information within the informed consent patient information variable. Methods: This study collects data from hospitals in the University Hospital of Burgos, Spain, for 2 years, configuring a file with data with 647 cases and 23 variables, 21 of them referring to the attitude towards informed consent, sex and age. We will previously carry out a descriptive exploratory and comparative analysis to have information on the variables that make up the classification prediction model, artificial neural network. How the data are distributed by category, yes and not, of the variable patient information. The study used a 3-layer perceptron, input, hidden and output, to analyze 3 cases: 1 covariate variable, age; 2 covariate variable, consultation time, y3 2 covariate variables, age and consultation time. Results: Tables 3 and 3, continued, show the results of cross-referencing the variable patient information with the rest of the qualitative variables. The study on the variable age, the study of the difference in mean age generated by the variables that have 2 categories, Table 4, and 3 categories, Table 5, leads us to know which difference in means is significant for a level of significance of 5%. The most efficient artificial neural network structure found in the classification of the categories of the variable patient information, yes and not categories, is the binomial hidden layer output layer. Hyperbolic tangent softmax, dependent variable, patient information, partition, training 60%, testing 20% and holdout 20%. Qualifying results are very low for the not category. Conclusion: The information process, in order to obtain informed consent, has an essentially particular character for each patient. It must be away from any situation of overcrowding, bureaucratization and dehumanization and must be based on their self-determination and freedom. Most patients are aware of the existence of a legal rule that obliges the physician to inform in order to obtain consent. Patients show total awareness of the right they have to be informed, evidence the desire to know, affirm their right to their family, and most deny that the information provided by the doctor has caused them a state of fear or anxiety. The study of the variable patient information using the artificial neural network perceptron offers us a low classification prediction of the not category. In all cases of the study, applying the artificial neural network, a low percentage of classification is observed for the not category due, in part, to the low number of cases for this category. We can observe that if we use 2 covariate variables, the classification percentage increases for this category. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.